Got Boeing and Antonov doing duck things, sometimes some swan things. Enjoying a little tub time. Life's simple pleasures. I would bring the khaki Campbells out, but they become too much of a handful. Tub time for them is like rumpus room.
Is approved for adults to help prevent infections from 20 strains of the bacteria that cause pneumococcal pneumonia. Continued approval may depend on a supportive study. Don't get Prevnar 20 if you've had a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine.
Good girls. Boeing and Antonov.
May have a lower response to the vaccine. The most commonly reported.
So the reason why they're named Boeing and Antonov is their head shape looks like a jumbo jet. Antonov is the one closest to us. No, Boeing is the one closest to us and has an extra hump which looks like a Boeing 747. Antonov is further away, which is now closer to us. It's just a large freaking bird. And the head looks, when you look from above, looks like an Antonov jet. Maybe the 225, which got destroyed in the war. But she will prevail. Thank you for watching, and hope you like and subscribe.